So how'd it go? What did you notice as you increased the number of marbles and when they hit the cup? You should have seen how as the marbles increased, as the mass increased, the cup went further and further. The distance got greater and greater. That's because momentum is both mass and velocity. So the more momentum you have, the more mass you have, the further the cup is going to slide. Did you notice any problem though when you started increasing the number of marbles, particularly when you got up to 3 and 4? When I do it, that third marble doesn't always go into the cup. That's a source of error in our investigation. Okay? We need to think of a way to revise the investigation so we don't have to deal with that error. Did you come up with a way? Remember, momentum is both mass and velocity. So the other way we could do it is just use one marble in this experiment, but increase its velocity. How are we going to do that? We increase the height of the ruler. All right, hope you had fun in this investigation, and good luck with Momentum Bashing 2.